how to hide messages on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can hide messages on your Android. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your messages app. However, let me make it clear to you that you cannot directly hide the messages, but I'll show you a workaround. Just long press on the conversation that you want to hide, and you can see the notifications option. So you just have to tap on it, and then you can just toggle it off. So even if this person sends you a message, you won't be notified. Another option is you can long press on it, and then you can go to more, and then you can block the person. The person will not be notified that you have blocked them. However, their message won't get sent. So if you don't want that, you can just turn off the notifications and delete the message and move to trash. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.